I'm Justin. This video is brought to you by Noise Development. The bathroom fans and the fan above your stovetop all exhaust air to the outside of your home through vents sort of like this one. And whenever that fan is on, it'll open a damper like this to allow that air to escape the house. And when it's not operating, it closes sort of like that. Every once in a while, a strong wind can also pick up this damper and slam it down like that. You may have heard that sound before. Maybe you actually think it sounded something more like this. Unfortunately, there's not really a good way for the fan to be able to open the damper without a really strong wind occasionally being able to open it as well. Just wanted you to know where that sound's coming from in case you do hear it again. You want to hear it again? Let's try it one more time.